All right, hey, what's up, everybody? This is Papa Bale. We're just chilling with the residual from a spin earlier. We got 0.4 on a 1mm coil, 0 and 0 on the power supply. It is a heavy rotor though, so I mean there is a lot of force going around. And it's a little offset, a little unbalanced, so there might be quite a bit of force. And sometimes more or less than others. You get what I'm trying to say. I mean, it is what it is. There is some imperfections, and it does, make things different. But it works, and you can still get the data. Like right now I can tell that every single magnet is hitting the switch. You can hear it, like every single time a magnet passes it knocks the switch. We back it out. I think everyone is still hitting, but the actual piece of metal, the screw that is being magnetized less, so the frequency has changed.